Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to my home. In today's video, we are here in my kitchen nook. We're going to do a spring/Easter tablescape for 2026. So if you're interested in seeing what we're doing in this space today, just keep on watching. First things first, we're going to start off with a clean slate by using my spray-away cleaner, glass cleaner, to clean our tabletop. Now that the table is clean, let's start with our placemats. I purchased these placemats, kind of remind you of a flower. They were on clearance at Hobby Lobby for $1.89, regular price $3.79. So we'll place them on the table. Now it shouldn't take me that long to put together because I have my things that I want to use set off to the side. So this tablescape has been planned. The next thing I'm going to add are some chargers that I've had for a while. They're off of Amazon, but I did a little DIY on them. I spray painted them pink and did a light touch of gold on the ornate details on the charger. Now, I saw this idea when my hubby and I went on the Bloom bus in Orlando, Florida, and the waitress would serve us different things off of this charger. So that's where I got the idea from. But Amazon, they do have these chargers. They have them in different colors. They just didn't have them in pink. So here are the chargers, and I painted 6 of them. The color is called Sweet Pea by Rust-Oleum. The next item I'm going to use are these beautiful black and white plates. They are trimmed in gold. I picked these up from Home Goods. Now, I'm the type of person, I love the traditional, I love ornate pieces, but I like to throw something different and whimsical into my tablescapes. Now, for the salad plates, I have these that I've had for many, many years from Hobby Lobby. I actually have another set in a girl bunny, which I should sit here. We're gonna see. Let me grab her, because this is my chair. Here's the girl bunny plate. And what I'll do, I'll set the same one on the other side, symbolizing my sons or my grandsons. There we go. Love that. Next, we're going to add the stemware, and this is in a pink tone that I picked up from, I think, Home Goods or Marshalls a couple of years ago. Next, flatware. I've had this for several years in the black tone. Next thing I'm going to add are the napkins in pink. And just because these plates are decorative, I don't want to hide that. I usually do a bow of some kind or drape the napkin over it. I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm just going to let it fall like so. Make sure when you do your tablescapes that your linen is pressed, all of your stemware, dinnerware is clean. Just make sure tablescape looks so beautiful when everything is clean. Even if you're not eating off of your dinnerware and drinking out of your stemware, you're just doing it for decorative purposes, make sure everything is clean. Now to add to the stemware, I'm going to add these beautiful glasses that I will use as dessert glasses. These came from Target. I think they're so beautiful in that pink tone. They also have them in the clear. And I need to go find 2 more because I would love to have a set of 6. Now to work on my centerpiece, and we're going to keep that simple as well. I always start with the tray in the center to corral my centerpiece or anything that I want to put in the center. And I'm bringing in my ginger jar in black and gold. And I'm keeping the florals simple. They came from Amazon. Going to bring in these candle holders from Ross. And I did pick up some candles from Aldi, set of 2. These are twisted candles. I was looking for battery operated. Some of you had suggested to go to Aldi. Yeah, they did have candles, but they were not battery operated. So I'm still in the search of that, but these will do. Showstopper is this cute little bunny. He has his clock. I thought was so cute. He has a coffee cup, and I do have coffee cups that matches this, but I thought he was adorable, that I picked up from Home Goods. His little one leg is up, but I'm going to turn him to face this way so you can see the clock. And that's going to complete my tablescape. I'm keeping it very simple. Let me show you around. Now, anything that I can link will be listed in my description box below, just in case you're interested. I will have the chandelier linked. I will have the chairs linked. I will have the rug linked. Table I found on Facebook Marketplace for $50. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links will be listed in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly thankful, I'm grateful, and blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.